issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County in central North Carolina, western Harnett County in central North Carolina, Montgomery County in central North Carolina, Randolph County in central North Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 6 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Pittsburgh to 6 miles northeast of Carthage to 7 miles northwest of Wakulla, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Asheboro, Southern Pines, Rayford, Randleman, Pittsboro, Troy, Carthage, Siler City, and Baden Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather